Class, our today's new topic is perimeter and area. So class, in this chapter we are discussing what is perimeter and what is area of any shape. So first, I am talking about rectangle and square. You all know what is rectangle and what is square. So let us suppose the length of this rectangle is 10 meter and the breadth is 5 meter. So you all know in rectangle, if this is 10 meter, then this is also 10 meter, and this is 5 meter, so this is also 5 meter. If I am talking about a square, suppose this side is 5 meter, so definitely this side is also 5 meter, this side is also 5 meter, and this side is also 5 meter. So first I am talking about perimeter. If I am talking about perimeter of rectangle or perimeter of square, so for perimeter you just only add the side of that particular shape. So suppose I am talking about rectangle. So perimeter of rectangle is, this is length, this is breadth, this is length, this is breadth. So perimeter means this plus this plus this plus this. It means length plus breadth plus again length and plus breadth. So this is the formula for rectangle. So L plus L 2L and B plus B 2B. So this is the formula for rectangle, and you can take this 2 outside and L plus B is remaining part. So this is the formula of perimeter of rectangle, 2 L plus B. You can add this 10 plus 5 15 plus 10 25 plus 5 30 is your perimeter. So by this formula you also get that 30. What is your L? 10, and what is your B? 5. So 2 10 plus 5 15, and you all know the meaning of that, into 2 into 15 30 meter. So by this formula you can calculate the perimeter of rectangle. And now class, if I am talking about a square, so you all know all the sides are equal in a square. So the perimeter is sum of all sides. It means side plus side plus side plus side. 5 meter plus 5 meter plus 5 meter plus 5 meter, that is equal to 20 meter. So this is the perimeter of a square. But class, in shortcut we can write this side plus side plus side plus side as 4 into side, or we can say 4 into 5 meter. The answer is 20 meter. So in both the cases answer is same. This is a long method, so we directly use this formula, 4 into side. So this is a perimeter of a square, 4 into side, that is equal to 20 meter. And if I am talking about the area of rectangle, the formula is length into breadth. If I am talking about this rectangle, so length is 10 meter and breadth is 5 meter. So 10 into 5 50, and it's important class, meter into meter means meter square. So in area your unit is meter square, and in perimeter your unit is the same as length. And if I am talking about square, the formula of square is, the formula of area of square is side into side. Actually class, there is no length and there is no breadth. All the sides are equal. So length into breadth means both are equal. So side into side. So 5 meter into 5 meter, that is equal to 25, and meter into meter means meter square. So it's important class, the unit of area is meter square or centimeter square or millimeter square. It means the square of your unit. In this time your unit is meter, so your area is meter square. If your unit is in centimeter, at that time your area should be in centimeter square. If your units are in millimeter, then your unit should be millimeter square. Understand class? So the square of unit is your unit of area. So class, your area of square is side into side, and sometimes If they give you the area of square and they ask you about find the side, suppose your area of square is 25 centimeter square and you want to calculate your side, at that time your side means under root of area. So the meaning is 25 centimeter square 5 centimeter. So you all know how to calculate under root. So your side is always under root of area. So the meaning is under root of 25 centimeter square. So the meaning is 5 centimeter is your side. So with the help of area you can calculate side, with the help of side you can calculate area. So this is the basic formula or basic relationship between side and area. So class, now I start exercise 22a. Find the perimeter and area of each shape. So class, this is rectangle, this is rectangle, this is rectangle. I told you how to calculate the area or perimeter of rectangle. So I just take this question. If this is 7, this is also 7. If it is 2, this is also 2. So the perimeter is 7 plus 2 plus 7 plus 2. Or you can use your formula 2L plus 2B. So this formula is used in these three figures and you can calculate the perimeter. After that, for area you can calculate your area by this formula L into B. So in this third one, this is 2x, this is x plus 2. So how to calculate this? This is your figure. Your length is x plus 2 and your breadth is 2x. So perimeter means 2L plus 2B. So 2 into L. L means x plus 2 plus 2B. 2B means 2 and your B is 2x. So just solve this. 2 into x, 2x plus 2 into 2, 4. So expand this and you will get 2x plus 4 plus 2 into 2, 4x. Solve this. 2x plus 4x, 6x and 4 is as it is. So 6x plus 4 is your perimeter. And about area, area is L into B. Your L is x plus 2, your B is 2x. Multiply these two. So 2x into x, 2x square, 2x into 2, 4x. This is your area. Class, question number 2 is find the perimeter and area of the square ABCD if its one side is equal to, they give you this. So I am just taking this question. In this third question, your side is 1.8 meter. So what is your area? That is a square. So the area of a square is side into side, 1.8 meter into 1.8 meter. The answer is 3.24 meter square. And if I am talking about perimeter, perimeter means 4 into side. So 4 into 1.8 meter, that is equal to 7.2 meter. And class, you can do these questions by your own. Only I am just explaining you how to solve this question number 5. Find the shaded area. For that class, there is no specific area, so you have to draw a line like this. Now you have two rectangle. Rectangle 1 is here and rectangle 2 is here. And if I am talking about this rectangle 1, the length is 5 centimeter, so this length is 5 centimeter also. But for this rectangle, if this is 2 centimeter, so this is also 2 centimeter. And this is 4, this is 4. So by this you can solve these questions. And now class, I am taking question number 6. Find the perimeter of the following squares where they give you area. So I am taking this question. Third, when your area is 2.89 meter square, at that time, how you calculate the perimeter of that square? So class, this is your question number 6, third part, area equal to 2.89 meter square. So as you all know, the relationship between side and area is side equal to under root of area. So the side of square is under root of area. So side equal to, I just separate this 2.89 as 1.7 into 1.7 and this meter as meter into meter. So take 1.7 outside, meter outside. So your side is 1.7 meter. So your side is 1.7 meter. So this is your square, your side is 1.7 meter. So your perimeter is 4 into side. This is formula for perimeter of a square. So by this you will get 6.8 meter. Now question number 7. A floor measuring 7 meter by 2.8 meter is to be covered with tiles measuring 35 centimeter square. How many tiles will be needed? So class, suppose this is your floor and there is so many tiles. So the area of this floor is, they gave you length, they gave you breadth. So area of floor is length into breadth, 7 meter into 2.8, that is 19.6 meter square. So length of the floor is 7 meter and the breadth of the floor is 2.8 meter. So the area of floor is 19.6 meter square. Now they gave you area of one tile, that is 35 centimeter square. It's important class, 35 centimeter square means 35 centimeter into 35 centimeter. So number of tiles will be cut. It's very important class. Total area, this is the total area. If you divide this total area by area of one tile, it means if you divide this whole area by one tile, then you will get the number of tiles. So your total area is 19.6 meter square and the area of one tile is 35 centimeter into 35 centimeter. That is equal to 19.6 meter square upon 1225 centimeter square. Convert this into centimeter square. So by multiplying 10,000, you can convert this into centimeter square. You all know meter square means meter into meter and meter means 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. So the answer is 10,000 centimeter square. So 1 meter square equal to 10,000 centimeter square. So by multiplying this, we will get 196,000. After 10 we put decimal, so only 3 zeros are remaining here. Divide by 1225, so we will get 160 tiles. But class, about this formula you have to understand some basic rule. So class, try to understand. In this kind of question where they give you total area and the number of tiles or the area of tiles, or maybe they gave you the total area and the area of bricks or the number of bricks. So in this question, it's very important. The first thing, which is total area. Second thing, area of one tile or brick or any kind of other material. And number third, which they ask or normally which they given, number of tiles. So you have to concentrate on these 3 points and you have a formula. If you want to calculate the number of tiles or number of bricks, at that time total area upon area of one tile or area of one brick. And this is your formula. So class, normally in these questions they give you 2 points and they ask you about third one. Remember, if they gave you total area and area of one tile, so definitely they are asking you about number of tiles. If they gave you total area and number of tiles, so they are asking you about area of one tile. And if they gave you number of tiles and area of one tile, then they are asking you about total area. So for that you have a formula, number of tile equal to total area upon area of one tile. So if they ask you about area of one tile, so by this formula you can solve this. You can take this area of one tile here and number of tiles should be downwards. So area of one tile is total area and this number of tile is going down, so total area upon number of one tile. If you want to calculate total area, so you all know the meaning is upon 1. So total area means number of tiles into area of one tile. Area of one tile into number of tiles. So it means class, you have to remember this formula, and with the help of this formula you can calculate this kind of questions. Question number 9 is, find the area in hectare of a field whose length is 240 meter and perimeter is 700 meter. So class, whose length is 240 meter, it means class if they give you length here, then definitely it's a rectangle field, because if it is a square field, then they are not giving you this word length, then they give you the word side. So if there is a length, the meaning is it's a rectangular field. So now how we solve this? Length of the field 240 meter, perimeter of the field 700 meter they gave us. So perimeter means class 2L plus 2B, they gave you perimeter 2L plus 2B equal to 700 meter, but they also give us length which is equal to 240 meter. So put the value in the formula 2L plus 2B. So 2L means 2 into 240 plus 2B, that is equal to 700 meter, which is our perimeter. So 480 plus 2B equal to 700 meter. So 2B equal to 700 meter minus 480 meter, 2B equal to 220 meter, B equal to, by dividing we will get 110 meter. So this is our breadth. Now class, what is the area of that rectangular field? Length into breadth. So 240 meter into 110 meter, that is equal to 26400 meter square. It's very important. Now class, area in hectare. For that you have to understand 1 hectare equal to 10,000 meter square. It's very important. Remember this. So area in hectare 26400 into meter. So if 1 hectare equal to 10,000 meter square, so 1 meter square equal to 1 upon 10,000 hectare. Understand class? So this meter square means 1 upon 10,000 hectare. So 26400 upon 10,000 hectare. So by cancelling this, we will get 2.64 hectare. So it's important to understand the relationship between hectare and meter square. Now question number 11. A person walks at rate of 4 km per hour. How long will he take to round a square park 5 times whose area is 2500 meter square? So class, let's see how we solve this. Class, first we understand this is a square field and the area of this square field is 2500 meter square. So area of this square field is 2500 meter square. So side of this field is under root of area, the meaning is 50 meter. So by solving this you will get the side of this field. So 50 meter, 50 meter, 50 meter and 50 meter is the side. Now class, perimeter of field 4 into side, 4 into 50, that is equal to 200 meter. And why we need perimeter class? Because a person walks in this rectangular shape. So this is the perimeter and this is the distance which he cover normally. So the perimeter is 200 meter. Now speed of that person is 4 km per hour, and class, your length, or we can say your perimeter, is in meter. So convert your kilometer in meter. For that, 4 km means 4 into kilometer upon hour, that is equal to 4 into 1000 meter upon 60 into 60 second. Because class, you have to convert, if you convert your kilometer in meter, so you have to convert your hour also in second. So 4000 upon 3600, that is equal to 10 upon 9 meter per second. So class, if the distance is 200 meter, speed is 10 upon 9 meter per second, so we can easily calculate time. We have a distance 50, 50, 50 and 50, 200 meter. We have a speed. So by the formula, speed is equal to distance upon time. So we can calculate time by the formula time equal to distance upon speed. The meaning is 200 meter upon 10 upon 9 meter per second. So by calculate this, we will get 180 second. So class, if a person take 5 round of a field, in question they gave you he take 5 rounds of a field, then he takes time. In 1 round he takes 180 seconds, so in 5 round he takes 180 into 5, that is equal to 900 second. So convert this second into minute by dividing 60, we will get 15 minutes. So in 15 minutes he takes 5 round of that square field. And question number 13 is, a farmer has a land which measures 250 meter by 160 meter. So 260 into 160, that is the area. If the land revenue to be paid at rupees 1500 per hectare, find the revenue that farmer has to pay. So class, area of field equal to 250 meter by 160 meter, that is equal to 40,000 meter square. And I told you relationship about hectare and meter square. 1 hectare equal to 10,000 meter square. So in 1 meter square means 1 upon 10,000 hectare. So the answer is 4 hectare. So he has 4 hectare of field. So he pay 1500 for 1 hectare. So for 4 hectare he pay 1500 into 4, 6,000. And question number 15 is, the length of a rectangular field is twice its breadth and its area is 2 hectares. So find the cost of fencing the field at 50 rupees per meter. So class, let the breadth equal to x. So length is double of breadth, 2x, and area is 2 hectare. They give us. So area means L into B, that is equal to 2 hectare. And what is your length? 2x. What is your breadth? X. So 2x into x, 2x square, that is equal to 2 hectare. And convert that hectare in meter square. So you all know the relationship between hectare and meter square. So 1 hectare means 10,000 meter square. So 2x square equal to 20,000 meter square. So x square equal to 20,000 upon 2 meter square, x square equal to 10,000 meter square, and x equal to under root 10,000 meter square. By solving this, we will get the value of x, that is equal to 100 meter. So breadth is 100 meter because your breadth is x. So x equal to 100 means breadth equal to 100 because x is breadth, and length is twice of breadth. The meaning is 2x, 2 into 100, 200 meter. So perimeter of this field is 2L plus 2B. You all know the value of L, you all know the value of B. So by solving this, we will get 600 meter. So now cost, that is equal to 50 rupee per meter. So for 600 meter, cost is 600 into 50. The answer is 30,000 rupees. Now question number 17. How many envelopes can be made out of a sheet of paper 125 cm by 85 cm? Suppose one envelope requires a piece of paper of size 17 cm by 5 cm. So by this you can calculate the area of one envelope, and by this you can calculate the area of total sheet. So area of paper sheet, that is equal to 125 cm into 85 cm. The answer is 10,625 centimeter square. To make an envelope, we need paper of area that is equal to 17 cm into 5 cm. This is the paper we need to make a envelope, that is equal to 85 centimeter square. So now class, again you can remember the question number 7. I told you when they give you total area or area of one envelope, two things are there. So they ask you about the number of envelope. Remember class? So number of one envelope means total area upon area of one envelope. So by solving this, we will get 125 envelope. So class, this question is same like question number 7. I told you that how to calculate the question by these 3 points. In class question number 19, it cost rupees 8704 to fence a square field at the rate of 8.50 per meter. Find the area of the field. So class, total cost is this 8704. Rate of fencing per meter is 8.50. So total perimeter of square field where we put fencing. So we just calculate that meter in which we fence. So that is total cost upon cost of 1 meter fencing. The answer is 1024. So class, this 1024 meter is a perimeter, because class, in this square shaped field the total cost is 8704 and the cost of 1 meter is 8.50. So how many meters are there? 1024 meter. So class, if this is 1024 meter, so we all know this is the perimeter. So perimeter of a square is 1024. So side equal to, we all know the formula, perimeter equal to 4 into side. So if you have a perimeter, then you can calculate side. Side equal to P upon 4. So perimeter upon 4, that is equal to 256 meter. So now we calculate the area of a square, and area of a square means side into side. So the one side is 256, so the area is 65536 meter square.